Welcome, dear friends. Today I bring you a warm X-Mix story wrapped in a soft felt fabric. It's a table of creativity, kindness, and how a simple felt craft can touch many hearts. Sit back, relax, and let the story fill your day with magic. In a quiet little town lived a teenage girl named Mira who adored crafting with felt. Her grandmother had gifted her a wooden box filled with colorful scraps. So, but as she opened her grandmother's felt box, she whispered, "Maybe I can create X-Mix myself." And so, with determination and a little sparkle in her eyes, Mira began crafting. She cut tiny stars from yellow felt, gently stitched little heart with red thread. Mira began crafting. She cut tiny stars from yellow felt, gently stitched little heart with red thread, made gingerbread men, snowflakes, candy cans, and mini stocking, and all from felt scraps. Every stitch carried love, patience, and hope. The kitchen floor became a sea of soft shapes, and Mira's fingers moved like an artist painting with thread. When the crafts were ready, Mira decorated their small Xmas tree, the same one they had used for years. The felt stars glowed softly in the warm lights. The little hearts swayed gently with the breeze. The gingerbread men looked almost real, smiling in their cozy felt charm. Her mother watched quietly, eyes shining, and whispered, "You made our X-Mix beautiful, Mira." Just as Mira finished decorating, someone knocked on the door. It was Mira. It was Mira the elderly neighbor who lived alone. She had seen the colorful decorations from her window and wanted a closer look. When she stepped inside, her breath caught. The room glowed with handmade warmth. The felt decorations looking like tiny hugs hanging on the branches. Mr. Alder touched a felt star gently and said, "My husband used to make felt toys every